This is something that didn't make it on the track. Spit it. Anyway.
My music is passionate, you can't rap at this. I get stabbed in the back, keep fighting like Meridius Maximus. They're appalled at my actions, I keep attacking them. Cause for my enemy, the penalty will be maximum. Best with the flow, I was destined to write. Battle me, you would rather be sentenced for life. You never fucked with this creature, never fucked with my type. Cause I'm in love with my features, I'm in love with my hype. I rap hard, and they can't fuck with my rap bars. So you better back off, for you get buried in my backyard.
Oh.
Motherfucker, I'm the new rap beast. And I'm hungry for these rappers, so a dude gon' eat. And I love drawing, pray that dude want beef. Cause all he's gonna want for Christmas is his new front teeth. And they still talk shit, like y'all gon' what? Have a grenade in your crib, have you all blown up. Y'all act like thug cast and your skull's gon' bust. But you rap like Rugrats, dog, I'm all grown up. Yeah, you still on your nursery rhymes, converted to prime. Money's on my mind, I'm determined to grind. Better listen, I'm the rap assassin. My bars have rap, cats, subtracting fractions. And dudes are still asking, Sav, don't hurt me. I know you truly have the passion to murder me. Then I ask them back, nigga, you worthy? They say no, so I'm laughing as I'm clapping the birdie, motherfuckers.
I don't even know if I can fuck with this beat, dude.
You don't like it?
Uh,
Alright.